Okay, here we go. We're going to now do a little bit more with annotations. We did dim styles, so now it's time to do text styles. I'm still working in my library resource file. Let me do a quick save on it. And now my annotations, which are still on, they're on my home ribbon under the annotations, but now I'm going to do a text style. So the tiny little thing and manage text styles. And you can see there's a few of them in here that there's something called Roman S, Roman T, standard already. So now I'm going to make one that's more if I need to do an annotation and it's mechanical, I can do that. So I'm going to do a new one. New. Give it a name. Anno mechanical. And Arial is really common. So is Roman S. But I'm going to just leave it as Arial. I'm really just giving it a good name. See, there's all these ones that I can use here, right? I'm just going to use the plain old Arial for it. Regular font style. I don't need bold or italic. Height is always 0 rather than a fixed number. If it's 0, the text command will ask you for the height, and you can enter it when you need it. And we're always writing at different heights. So for a text style, we want to leave that 0. And for right now, we're going to leave our width factor at 1.0. So it will squish it in. You can see if I do a 0.5, it squishes it in. And if I do an oblique angle, puts it at an angle. So those are all things that we can do, but we're going to leave those at 0 and 1. Okay, I can write upside down. I can write backwards. And again, we're going to leave this annotative blank. That's for some fancy advanced stuff. Okay, so I can set that current. So that's my first one. My next one is Anno architectural, Anno arc. This one we use often something called city blueprint. That's a really common one to have. And again, we're going to leave it regular. We're going to leave the height blank. We're going to clear that out. So city blueprint is going to be the Anno architectural. And the last one is Anno civil. And again, that's a pretty common one, but we're going to go with one called Palatino. If I can find it in here. Where's my Palatino? There it is, Palatino. Okay? And that's what that one's going to look like. So that's going to be our civil. So we have 3 different ones that we can choose from. Those are text styles. And if you want to see, I can do a DT. Let me set my annotation as civil. That's what that looks like. And if I set it as mechanical, that's what it looks like. And if I set it as architectural, and I made it pretty small that time, sorry. Let's make it a little bit bigger so that you can see it on my screen. Not doing quite a great job with my demo here. That's what it looks like. Okay, so those are the 3 styles, and as we work through the class, you'll get more information on those. So once you've got your dim styles in and your text styles in, We'll do a quick save on it, and we'll be pretty well set up.